Thank you for your booking. This is an instructional guide for the contactless check-in and check-out process for Turo at Dulles International Airport. Right outside of baggage claim, there will be signs directing you to ride app pickup for Uber and Lyft. Please head outside and walk past this area going towards terminal parking. Be on the lookout for numbers listed on the light pole. This will help you locate the vehicle. The locations of the vehicle will be provided by the host before your check-in. Once you locate the vehicle, the key will be located inside of a secure lockbox right behind the driver's side window. But before you can unlock the lockbox, we need to verify that you're present during check-in. Please send us a clear photo of your driver's license and a second photo of you standing next to the vehicle. This will allow us to verify that the lockbox code is being given to the Turo guest listed on the reservation. Once the pictures are sent, the lockbox code will be provided. Hold down the weatherproof cover to expose the keypad. Click the C key to reset the lockbox before you enter the code. Enter the 4-digit code and twist the knob clockwise and pull the door open. Now let's remove the lockbox from the window. Please roll down the passenger window to allow enough room to safely remove the lockbox. Feel free to store the lockbox inside the glove box during your trip. You have a parking ticket for the vehicle inside of the cup holder. This ticket will need to be used to pay and exit terminal parking. The Turo guest will be responsible for parking fees. Parking fees are subject to change at any time. We hope that you have a safe and comfortable trip. When your trip is coming to an end and you're ready to return your vehicle, you will leave the car parked in the same terminal parking lot that it was picked up from. When arriving to the airport, remain on the left-hand side towards the paid parking section of the terminal. Continue to stay left until you arrive to the terminal parking ticketing booth. Here, you will click the green button and pull a ticket from the machine. Please place this ticket in the cup holder for the Turo host to use when picking up the vehicle. Feel free to park anywhere within the terminal parking lot. A quick local tip, the farther down you drive down the terminal parking lot, the more spots become available closer to the walkway sections. Once the vehicle is parked, please roll down the rear window and hook the lockbox on the window. Roll the window up to seal the lockbox in place. Please lock the vehicle using the car keys. Ensure that the car is locked and that all door handles have been locked. Open the key storage section of the lockbox. You may need to enter the original code to reopen the lockbox. Place the key inside of the storage section and turn the knob counterclockwise to lock. Click the C key and pull the handle to ensure that it has been locked. Please remember to send the Turo host a picture or text to indicate the location of the vehicle within the terminal parking. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. We hope that you have a safe and wonderful trip. Thank you for booking.